Well, hello everyone. Gyro is here. Hey Hano. Yeah, you're first. Well, that was quick. Even before I announced anything. Thanks for showing up. Um, okay. Let's not dilly-dally and get into doing some stuff. Because there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. And even more is already done. So basically what we're gonna do today is we gonna work on polishing the project. Oh, cool, cool. Thanks, thanks. Let's uh, before we go to anything else. So first of all, let me show you a little bit of how the project looks and feels right now. I changed quite a bit, and including some of the music tracks. I mean, actually all of them. So yeah. Uh, then we have this cool intro screen. I finished working on the tutorial, so now it works properly. So most importantly, you can wait until the text is done and then you press spacebar or ESC and it ends. Or you can do this. You can press spacebar or ESC when it is still types, and then it goes all the way, like for some people who are impatient. And it's usually like players' instinct to press spacebar in this kind of situations. So yeah, we have this, and I have small cool animations for uh, every part of the tutorial. And you don't have to play the tutorial to play the game. Like, it's highly recommended because I don't think that there are a lot of intuitivity to it. At least when you begin. Yeah, that's the one that I was struggling the most. It's basically a small almanac of all the monsters. And yeah. Also, yeah, those spawn animations and death animations, they really added a lot. So I'm really happy with what we're having now. Thanks, man. It starts to feel good to play it, which is also really important. Okay, so we finished the first wave. This is the track for this one. And also I added names to all the upgrades, so it also helps. Not gonna go for this. and then second wave is just like try everything that you learned. Yeah, I finally fixed those freaking packages because they were kind of broken. Also, almost every sound in the game has a slightly different pitch every time that it's called, and it also helps. Okay, patch. Yeah, now we can just go for it. Yeah, and different track for Elite Waves. I really dig this one. Yeah, it definitely does. It's it's not something that players usually notice if it is present, but they will definitely notice if you don't do this. Man, this track gives me such a Look Hero vibes. Okay, okay, so yeah, that's another problem. Yeah, because I was cleaning the code, I was cleaning the folder, and sometimes we have those little problems. Like Godot doesn't like this part, but without it, game crashes. So I stupidly deleted it. I thought that I fixed it everywhere, but oh well. I mean, that's why we are working on polish right now. So yeah, I'm definitely before releasing the game, I'm gonna play through it. I'm gonna try tomorrow. Most likely, we're gonna mostly play it. I'm gonna try to go until the end and reach the ninth wave. They'll see if it's even doable. But before that, we're gonna need to do a couple of things with reworking some of the upgrades. So let's see. Those work just fine, and names work just fine. Tier 2 plus 2. Okay, so here we need to update the description. It's tier 2, upgrade 2. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of really boring stuff today. Like I need to fix all of those little things that I changed. Okay, there it is. Because we don't have delete points per se, we have data instead. And all of it needs to be changed. Okay, now this. And let's see. Uh, okay. So it's 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Okay. Now let's go and try and find where it is used. So it is for destroying viruses and each field. Okay, so for destroying viruses, most likely it'll be either in the monster, no, then in the cannon projectile, probably. No? Why? Oh, it's because I'm stupid. Um, Sorry. The wrong name. Grade 3, tier 2, upgrade 2. There it is. Now it will work. So, no to the monster, but no here. Upgrade to level, maybe that's the problem. Oh, god damn it. I've been working on it. Okay. Okay, so it definitely needs to be somewhere. Okay, so it immediately searches. No, 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 no. Level, intro, global data, yeah, nothing. Here it's because it's basic one. Can projectile, okay. Okay, so probably if it's for destroying monsters, then the easiest way to do it is through the monster script. And okay, yep. So this wasn't added, which isn't good. For some reason I missed it. Yeah, okay, wait. Do we have? Okay, we have added data. Then let's just add it over here, because in the beginning it's at 0, so it wouldn't make any difference. But if you get it, then it'll start applying. So 2 plus 3 points for destroying viruses. Okay, and 2 4 should add. We're gonna need update progress bar. Okay, so instead of repair tower, we're gonna add data here. Oh, again. Plus this one. So it will always, this one is from the shop and this one from the upgrades. Okay. This is fine. I'm gonna check all of those upgrades also. Okay. Okay, so we need those two. Consume packages give +5 data points. Consume packages gives +5 to update and data points. Yeah, that's definitely gonna need some little tweaks. Tweaky dumb, tweaky D. Okay, I'm gonna need to check out this one. Mhm. Okay, maybe it's in the cannon projectile. Maybe it's gonna be there. But I wonder about this one. It's tier 5, upgrade 4. If not consumed or destroyed, packages give additional to update and data points. Okay. So I'm gonna just switch it to data. Okay, this one is already fixed. And what was it? Consumer packages. Okay, it's probably in the handle package collision. Yeah. So those two, tier 3 upgrade 3, tier 3 upgrade 4. Okay, so we just need to change this and this. Perfect. Okay, those are already there. We didn't change anything there. Okay, so this is now data explosion. Still wave count after each repair bar filled. We don't have repair bars anymore. So, okay. So how the idea is that you get a certain amount of data and then the explosion happens. Okay, this is gonna be a tricky one. Because I cannot set it simply to a certain amount of data, because players can simply skip the shop without spending any data, and what then? So we need to work on some kind of a difference. Uh, okay, tier 4, upgrade 1. Let's search for this. It's most likely in the monster. Yeah, definitely. So it now goes from durability increase. I mean, we can leave it. Nah, it's not. You cannot as easily repair during the waves. Like you can buy a bunch of patches in the shop and increase your durability, but there's not a lot of stuff that can heal you, basically heal you during the wave. So mm, Okay, I have an idea. Let's see if it works. Mm. So for how much? Mm. Mm. Okay, let's remove this for now. Okay, why did it? Oh, maybe because I didn't quit properly. Okay, I'm gonna need to add another thing. Okay, I don't think that it triggered. No, I don't think that it triggered. Okay, what if I reduce it to 10? Okay, I definitely need to work on updating the data. Because right now you just can restart over and over. Okay, no. Yeah, it should. Uh, okay, I think I'm gonna make it slightly easier on myself. Mm. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, let's use this. Now we can remove this one. The idea is that it will deal certain amount of damage every several turns, and it will count. It will depend on the amount of data that you have now. But I think I wanna do this because it can be quite an exploit. Less than 50, and where is it? Okay, there it is. Equals 0. So every 10 turns, or rather, maybe even every 12 turns. So the first one is just a precaution. Okay, every 12 turns, so I might want to make it less than 48, otherwise it will start with it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I'm gonna have to do this the weird way. So it'll be 38. Minus 12, 26. Minus 12, 14, or 2. So right before. Equals 2. Take damage. I don't need all of this. I don't need this. So what about the amount of damage? deal 1 damage to all viruses for every 100 data store. So, and it'll increase by 1, so it's up to 5 for each 100 damage, 100 data stored. And since you can store sometimes thousands of data, it can be quite a blow. So I think it can work. And then, so it will be take damage game manager data divided by 100 multiplied by game manager tier 4 upgrade level. So this way, if you don't have this upgrade, it'll be 0, because it'll be multiplied by 0. So, okay, let's see if this works. Okay, I definitely need to make data go back to the previous amount. So it should be saved every time you start the wave and then go back to the previous amount. So it should be at 38, right? And we have nothing happened. Okay, so, and as it should be. So let's see if I make it at 2. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get gonna have to do first of all this. Data exploded. And it'll be first false. Okay, where was it? Okay, there it is. Yeah, and there's another thing that I think I screwed up. Take damage and data exploded set to true. And what? Integer equals false. What kind of bullshit is this? Equals false. Okay, to my defense, it was a long day. It was quite a long day, and I did a lot of work, as I usually try off stream, but that was kind of stupid. Okay, data exploded equals false, and all of this. So now it is set to true, and now we're gonna have to do a little weird thingy where this will go. So at 37, at 25, so right at next one, 13 and 1. It will go back to normal. But why I kept gathering data? Like that was kind of weird. Okay. Okay, I didn't have enough data at the moment, so fair enough. I need to collect a little bit more. Why it keeps giving me data? What the hell is happening? It's definitely something about this. Okay, what if I make it? Okay, because I had. Oh, Ben. Okay, gotcha. Uh, so it's Bentley or Benkley. It's going okay. I got to Bentley. Okay. So I got to the point of polishing, but right now we have some weird stuff going on with one of the upgrades, and I try to fix it. So far, I wasn't successful, but we'll see. Okay, I wanna use adapter because he is a little bit easier to control. Okay. Again, why? Why it keeps happening? Okay. If I remove this completely, will it keep happening? Because this is freaking weird. If it keeps happening, then I'm gonna simply rework this upgrade, because I'm not in the mood to deal with this fucking bullshit. Or, yeah, I think I know how I can rework it. So, I don't need this. I'm not gonna need this. I'm not Or rather, yeah, I'm gonna leave it, because this boolean can be useful. But, okay, what about the damage amount? Like, it's a cool concept, but for some fucking reason, it just keeps thinking that, yeah, it's in a process. So, yeah, I don't know why it keeps happening, because I have different amounts for it. Uh, okay, I'm gonna use this one. Or rather, so if you have a certain amount of data, you will deal fixed amount of damage. Mhm. It's gonna be hella of line of code here. Okay, let's deal 5 damage and we'll see. I don't need this. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I spent way too much time on this one upgrade, but what can you do? Okay, let me deal with those guys. Oh, it's because I didn't have... I need to collect the data. I need to collect 100 data before That first one. I'm not sure that it's possible. Okay, it is possible, definitely. Okay, so it worked. And again. Okay, but I don't think that's with this is the problem right now, because when they didn't die, everything worked fine. So I think I know what's the problem is. So I need it's tier 4 upgrade 1. Okay, now I think that's the previous ones. Okay, what if I remove this one? If not, then screw this upgrade. I'm gonna try to figure out something else, because this is kind of bullshit. Okay, so wait. Oh, it's because it... Oh. No, I'm kind of sick of this thingy. And it's way too complicated. Like this one already does one explosion, this one does another explosion. I might as well come up with something more interesting. Yeah, first of all, let's remove this fucking thing to oblivion, because I'm so down with it. It just wouldn't work. Okay, I'm gonna go away from the data part in general. So what else can we have? So we have additional damage with any command. We have update explosion. This one is for rebuilder and evolver. Uh, Power assist. And then we're gonna this will be simply for additional projectiles. I'm done screwing around. So, first of all, and now, so this should be kind of even easier. Okay, let me check. I think I had some variable that gives damage to okay, additional projectile damage. Yeah, I think this is like for all of them in general. Yeah, bombs has it, have it. Bullet also, and where's missile? And missile has it. Perfect. Then I just need to do this additional projectile damage. Increase by 4. That's it. I know it's not really something weird or creative, but I'm kind of sick and tired of all of this bullshit. Uh, I spent almost hour. Yeah, I fixed couple of other things, little things, but I spent almost like half an hour on this freaking bullshit. More than half an hour. That's way too expensive. um, okay, wait. I'm stupid. I almost screwed myself. Good thing that almost. Uh, plus 4, yeah? So tier 4, upgrade 1. Tier 4, upgrade 1. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So this is it. Now, we need to update the description for this one too. Where is it? Tier 4, upgrade 1. Okay. Okay, we have 2 explosions and we have 2 things to increase. Okay. So this one is done. Okay, I'm gonna replace rocket with missile since we have this. Okay. Mm. Okay, now healing turret. We don't have repair points anymore. Again. If I give like one durability, that's too much. And then I won't be able to upgrade it. Like 5 durability per shot, even a couple of shots, it's huge. It's too much. So what we can do with it instead? Since we already has this thing. I'm kind of afraid of making it like some kind of data turret. Because it may be cool, but at the same time, it may be kind of bullshit. Okay, I think I can come up with an idea. So consumed packages with 10% chance can give 1 durability. It's up to 5 at max level, but it's always flat 10% chance. And for the rebuilder, it kind of works, I think. So also I'm gonna not gonna I don't need to work with this freaking healing turret. We're gonna have to work with missile turret, yes. But okay, so let's remove spawn healing bot so I can. There you are. Tier 5 upgrade to level. Okay. Yeah, and that's a good thing. Mm, mm, I think I had something like this. already. Okay, so those aren't the flat ones. I need to find, because I don't exactly remember. Okay, so this is correct. This is 10% chance. Yeah. Well, yeah, like this. Game manager capability plus here. Yeah, I need to go have a break. I wanna at least finish this one. Tier 5 upgrade to level. Okay. Now let's go +1. Okay. Okay, nice. So now it will, with 10% chance, will give a certain amount of health. Okay, this one already works. Package repay if not consumed or destroyed. Packages give and data points. Let's find this one. It's tier 5 upgrade 4 level, right? So it's supposed to be here. Oh, this one I already did. Tier 5 upgrade 4. Yeah, this one I already did. Okay. So all of those. Okay. Final thing. Not the final, but I need to see one thing. I need to find it. It's supposed to be here, right? No, it's a cannon projectile. Yeah, right. Spawn turret body. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this right now so I could check, as I feel like now new sprites should be a lot bigger. Let's use our evolver. Okay, I'm confused. Why didn't spawn? Okay, maybe we'll go today for 3 hour stream, so I might as well like take a break in 15 minutes. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So, And let's get back to Windows so I could see the logs immediately. Okay, so it didn't spawn. Why? It should have printed than this one. Why the hell? It used to spawn it. I definitely have the scene for the turret. Right? Yeah, I do. Then why it doesn't spawn? Okay, what's it saying in handle collision? Spawn bombs, spawn missiles, spawn bullets. Okay, what if I put it from here till handle package collision? Right now, just like this. Why it's here? Okay, I don't think I need this one. Oh, it's for additional turret. I am not gonna do this because it's gonna look weird. And also, do I have this still? I don't remember if I have this upgrade of double effect. I don't think so. I think I removed it. I'm gonna need to go through the shop. Okay, I have this one in handle package collision, so it should work always. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to change this sprite, probably. Although, okay, let's remove rotation and scale 0.3. Put it somewhere over here. For now, it will be like this. I'm probably gonna make some art for it later. Okay, okay. So all that I need is to add if game manager tier 5 upgrade 1 level is higher or equal 1, then we spawn this turret. Okay, so this one is also done. And I think I fixed the description. Upgrade 3. Let's go over here. Yeah, I updated the description too. Okay, so I think now it shouldn't spawn the turret since I replaced it. Yeah, it just disappears. Okay, if I start now. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Okay. Let me do a quickly little save. In the menu. So when we start the game, I want teacher to be set at false always. Because I had a couple of instances when game crashed and then I tried to restart at the teacher. You shouldn't be able to restart. It's him. That's one thing. Another thing is about data. Okay. I need to work with durability for this one. I think it's in the tower. Being ready. Mm. Mm-mm. Okay. This is what I need. So I need another variable exactly like this one, which is going to be data at wave start. Okay. Mm. Thank you. And same in the load data. So we're simply gonna do this. Mm-hmm. Okay, and data then will be restored. Kinda. So this one is through ready. So the only thing that we need to do here, because I've been working with it for quite a while ago with the durability, because I had the same issue. Okay. Data wave start equals manager data. Okay, I think this should fix it. Let me see. Let's start. We begin. Now data is at 0. We get 22. Now we quit. We go back. I should have gone for the menu. And it's again at 22. It shouldn't be at 22. Fucker. Okay, but it works for durability, so it should be somewhere else. God damn it, it was so long ago, I don't exactly remember how I did it. Okay, but wait, what about durability? Okay, we got at 16. Now let's go back to the menu. It doesn't work for durability either. It used to work. So I changed something and now it does not work. Perfect. Just fucking great. Wait. Yeah, it might be weird. I don't think that it'll do anything. Yeah. I just had a weird thought and yeah. So I needed to be set as durability at wave start. So here it's saved, but when I return, okay, what if I put it here? Six. Why it keeps saving this fucking thing? I wanted to be back to the initial one. Okay, that's weird. It used to work, so I definitely changed something. Okay, I'm gonna go for a break. I'm gonna ask, in the meantime, AI what the hell is happening. And while it answers my question, I'm gonna go stretch leg, stretch myself, have a snack, all this kind of stuff. Because I don't have a fucking clue. I mean, I could figure it out, but I might as well see what kind of bullshit it will come up with. At least for shits and giggles, as they say. So yeah, I'm gonna leave for a quick break and be right back. Okay, I'm back, and after quickly consulting with spirits of the machine, I may have the solution. I'm not sure still, but we'll see. So, we have those set. And data at wave start is at 0, right? Where is it? Okay, so it gets from the data, this one gets from the durability. Let's see if we restart now. Okay. But the problem is that it calls this only once. And it can probably work after the wave is finished. But I might try this. If in manager durability at wave start not equal current durability, we are setting current durability at durability at wave start. It sounds kind of weird, I know, and it may break everything because process is weird by definition, but we might as well try. Okay, so now it makes us invincible. Okay. So this one isn't called when I restart this scene. Why? Like, I don't understand really. I don't get it. It's sometimes so stupid. Or am I? I'm stupid, which is probably, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I got damaged. Then we return to menu. Okay. Okay, now, will it work for the data? So data at wave start was, because you cannot start level otherwise. It's the only way for you to start it. Let's restart. Let's get some data. Okay, 22. Okay. So, this is one thing. Now we go for another, just to be safe. Let's find our trusty return button. We'll set wave start equals. So we change this to durability. Our current durability. Then we're gonna do same for the data. I mean, it might work. Now, so we can test it quicker. Okay, let me make music quieter. Yeah, sorry for flashbangs. Damn, I'm fading out. Okay, I did this, and now we go to fire shots. Set it to 10. Okay. So we have 3, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's go back to the menu. 3, 3, 4. Again. $356. Okay, so this works. Now let's go to do this so I could check durability for the same reason. Okay, we got damaged. 17 or 6, 17, 7, 763. Okay, let's quit. Let's restart the game. 17 and 763. Thank God. Monkey brain works sometimes. By accident, mostly. Okay. So this is also fixed. That's good. Now let's see. What else did I wanna do? My main issue right now is that when I implemented shop, I feel like the upgrades are a lot weaker a lot of times. So I think I need to make the upgrades a bit stronger. Think. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go through every single upgrade and we're gonna make them a little bit stronger. except the basic ones. I think the basic ones are okay. Mm, I'm thinking. Maybe I want to add a little bit to basic ones too. Not something like game changing, but just a little bit so the upgrades would feel. And since later in the game you can get them not as often, because with each received upgrade you get less. You need more, like with the usual level system. The more levels you have, the more experience you need to get to the next level. So let's add for now +2 to each. So here +3 +5. +3 +5. And then evolver would be perfect one. Or more like this one should be adapter, and this should be evolver. Yeah, I'm gonna use the names of the basic ones for now. Mm. Like this. Now, let's add +5 to efficiency. Uh, +8 efficiency during every lead wave. 3 efficiency. Yeah, I'm gonna make monsters a little bit stronger after this, especially with the scaling. But I think this should work fine. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right now because you can get it from the shop. Mm, no, I think I'm gonna change this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for the same thing as here. Okay, more like +6, +6, +6, not +7. Why did I do +3 data and each field update bar gives +20 data points? Okay. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, do I want more damage from additional projectiles? Yeah, since it's capped, I think I wanna milk it properly. So +6 and +4 here. Wave count +5 damage. Okay, okay. Okay, let's make this wave count +3, wave count +7. Yeah, I need to make missiles a lot stronger since they target only one enemy and yeah, they need practically one shot the enemies. Mm, more like this. Okay, we can work with this. Yeah, there's a lot of little tweaking, but that was the idea of today's stream, so we might as well embrace it. Well, first of all, let's work on the mechanical side. I'm sorry for all the flashbangs. 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and here we have all three. Okay, this one is done. Okay, names, I didn't change anything that I need to, so I don't need to change the names. Okay, let me return the music while I'm working on it. And god damn it, I forgot my glass with water. I'm sorry, just a sec. Okay, I'm back, and I have my water. Although I definitely need to refill it. Yeah, like this. Okay, let's continue. Okay. It's every 10th move, so most likely here. No? Level? Why do I do this? Why do I care where is it? If I need only to change it here. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Never mind. Plus 8. Plus 3 efficiency. Not plus 31. Plus 3, please. And here also plus 3. Okay. Now tier 2. Okay, we did tier 1. Router plus. Plus 3 data and update points. Now this one I do care. So it will be tier. Okay, let's get with all of those. So tier 2 upgrade 1. Here we put it at 6. Tier 2 again 6. Now this one we're gonna need to search for. So for destroying viruses, it's in the monster most likely. Oh, no, projectile. Why? What the? Wait. Why it's not here? What the hell happened? Do I have any upgrades set up properly? Okay, I'm gonna have to check it. Double check it later again. Because something fucking weird. Oh. I'm an idiot. I changed the upgrade itself. It works on restoring durability, so it should be maybe even here. No, not here. Because it's reliant on durability restoration, basically. And I removed that mechanic in general. So that makes sense. Okay. Then let's see where this guy is. What the freaking fuck? Oh, that's the problem. Okay. Uh, mhm. And then we can make it 3. Here. And since it's for both, and here, XP here, data goes here. Yeah, I definitely gonna need to look into all of the upgrades one more time before sending this demo out. Because I can swear I sent those, or I set those up. Why they disappeared, I have no freaking clue. Maybe it was with my shenanigans of changing things. Okay, now I'm gonna check. Okay. Okay, now it's working. And it's plus 20. Because it's upgrades, they are not that easy to get. They are only 5 levels, so we should make them count again. And let's, at least with the names, yeah, Looter Plus. Okay. God damn it. Okay, now let's go tier 3, upgrade 1. And before I continue, let me check if it's in a place where it should be. Maybe here. Okay, okay, so tier 3 upgrade 1 is in place, tier 3 upgrade 2. What about 3? Upgrade 3. What does upgrade 4? Okay, so here we simply need to go through all of those. Gives plus 5 to efficiency, plus 5 here. Tier 3 button 2, plus 10. Tier 3 button 3, plus 10. Data package plus 5. And we are done with this one. Since I don't think I changed any names. Data package plus, extra data package, updated package, and efficient package. Perfect. Okay, tier 3 was kinda easy. And now we go to tier 4. And I think tier 4 not gonna be... I'm sorry for this flashing. But I really need to do this. Additional projectile damage plus 6. Okay. Let's check this one. Monsters. Yep. Okay, this one is in place. Tier 4, upgrade 3. Now, deal +4 damage with any command. Yep. And this should mean okay. Okay, so it simply adds this amount. Okay, this is fine. I probably should have just added to the upgrade parts. I think I'm gonna do this because I wanna show this here. To be shown on the screen. Damn it, there's 8 of them. Okay, wait, where is it? Yeah, all that I had to do is increase. Why did I do this? It's such a bullshit way of doing this. This is bullshit. This is another bullshit. So much bullshit. I'm just... Oh, wait. Okay, now this I'm gonna leave. Because I need to be able to deal damage with any commands through this. So I'm gonna leave tier 4 upgrade 3 level as a variable. But I'm also gonna do I need to deal additional damage. It doesn't say about increasing. Yeah, that's why I probably did it. Yeah, that's why I did it. Okay, I don't know about doubling what the hell I was thinking, but I need to get this one back. And base efficiency. Okay. This one is total bullshit. And this one. And this one. Okay, yeah, I definitely gonna have to go through all of this one more time and just check really thoroughly everything. But before we do this, I'm just thinking about what I am gonna do today. So I think I'm gonna try to finish this part, and then just to relax for a bit, if I have enough time, I'm gonna quickly draw the animation for turrets. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this, but this may take around 3 hours in general, in total, so I think this should be enough. I don't think I wanna double in here, so it would simply be like this. Okay. Let's go to the monster. Okay, now this one, it's awkward, but it's working. This one we made, we just fixed, so we simply need to increase the damage. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Helium package. Beautiful. And tier 5 upgrade to I'm not sure where to put it. Okay, package. I think I already did it. Didn't I? No, not here. Yeah, I already did it. Okay. It's +2 to random command. Okay. Add random upgrade. Yeah, there it is. So I simply need to increase the amount to +2. Okay, then we go for this one. Again, data package. Yep. Okay. Okay. Again, I'm gonna go through every single one of those upgrades, but for now, I think we kind of fixed it probably. Okay, let me... Let me restart, and let's try and play a bit. I'm gonna leave it like this, so I could see the everything practically. Okay, not good. Oh, shit. Yeah, I definitely need to work on this ending of the wave. But I had this problem before and it's kinda tricky. Oh, I didn't update the descriptions. Okay. After we play a bit, I'm gonna do this. Probably should. Yeah, I forgot to increase the power. Enemies. They still seem fine. Yeah. It's not just about the power, but about how they position. And it can be quite tricky to get them all. Okay, that's the repetitive package. Okay, I'm gonna have to return and rework it. Let's see if we can reach the end. I was thinking that those 50 turns wave are too long. I feel like they can be sometimes too short. Yeah, I'm gonna need to work on this one. Because I feel like it's almost useless with its angle. Oh, shit. Fine. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, they deal a lot of damage at this point. I might wanna increase their health, but definitely not their damage. I'm talking about monsters. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to increase the scaling of the prices also. Cha. Acha. Okay, we're... Oh, shoot. Okay, so something adds durability at just ridiculous levels. And it should be somewhere in the process. It may be this one. But no, it's only for data package body. No, I don't think that this is the problem. Mm. Okay, here we have the save thingy. Okay, what's the amount? What does the amount means? Okay, I don't think that it works anywhere right now. Hmm. Okay, so this is one-time use. All of it. Yeah, it's a shop. Okay. Yeah, it's redundant. Something else breaks it. But I don't know what. Okay, what if I remove this? Will something terrible happen? Oh, okay, so at least it starts from the... okay, that's already good. Let's see. Let's try to find what is happening here. No. Wait, it is durability that increases, right? I'm not losing my mind. Yeah, it is durability. Okay. So this freaking thing... Uh... Okay, but... Okay, I wanna see if it triggers at all. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I fixed it. Phew. But it means that now we can continue since it saved, yeah, the durability from the beginning of this wave. Great. Beautiful. Love to see this. Okay, it doesn't trigger the bomb. That's the problem. Let me check. Okay. Um, hmm. 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 Now this is interesting. Why didn't you show me? Okay. Uh, okay, so it's 35. It should be working. Or am I just so unlucky? I'm not sure. I don't see any. Okay, let's set this at 100. This way it should guarantee. Because I definitely bought bomb package. Or I did not. Okay. Maybe I didn't buy it. Maybe I missed it. Or something is broken with it. I'm gonna check it later. I wanna try to finally, first time, finish the game up to until the end. If I manage to do this, of course. Oops. I missed somebody. Yeah, I definitely need to work on increase enemies health, decrease enemies damage. For sure. Okay. Now the last thing, let's actualize the descriptions for all of them, because I don't think that we did it. Not here. A great tree. Okay, let's bring back music. Since now I'm not gonna start the game anytime soon, so we might as well. Okay. +5, +2, +2. So here +3 to destroy, right? Yeah, +3 to destroy, +5 to delete. +3 to destroy, +5 to update, I think it was. Yeah. And here +3 to all of them. Okay. +5, +8, +3, +5, +8, +3, and +3. Okay, tier 2. +6 and +6. And this one we replace. And here we're gonna have +20 instead. Yeah, we're gonna finish this, and this will be it for today for game dev section, because I'm feeling like my head starts to hurt. So yeah. Okay, +5, +10, +10, +5. Easy. +5, +10, +10, +5. Six. Uh, 7 and 4, I think. And +3 here. Wave count. Multiplied by 3. Okay. %, chance. That's +2 to random command. Give. Yeah, because it was nothing. +2. Okay. And I can. Oh, sorry. It came out of nowhere. So I cleaned the project a little bit today. I fixed a couple of bugs. I found a couple of bugs. I rebalanced it a bit. So, well, basically that was the plan for today. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to fix the rest of the bugs, and I'm gonna check most likely off stream thoroughly each and every upgrade, if they work, how they work, and upgrade, and I'm gonna try to check out the wares. And after this, yeah, I have it in me to make the animation, because I'm really tired. Like, this extra bit of time of work, it really took a toll on me, especially since I've done quite a bit of work today already. So and yeah, tomorrow gonna be the last stream of the week, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to check everything. But even if I do, I'm gonna spend probably Friday most likely more like resting and recovering. And during Saturday, I'm gonna test the game again. And most likely Saturday, Sunday, the new version will be out for the people to try. Because I have a bunch of stuff behind the curtain that needs to be done. So yeah, this will be it for today for game dev section. I'm gonna go have another quick break, and then we're gonna return to yesterday games. I don't remember the name of the first one, so I'm gonna have to check this one and check it, and then we're gonna play that one and Glady Hoppers. I don't know how long, probably not for very long, but yeah, okay, I'm shutting up and going for my break. Okay, see you in a few and be right back.